In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the price of your school community group. If you're managing a school community, adjusting the pricing is crucial for aligning with your community's value proposition and your business goals. Let's get started and make this process as smooth as possible. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type in Skool and hit enter. Now, from the search results, click on the very first result that appears. This should take you to the Skool homepage or discovery page. If you've been a regular user of Skool, this page might look quite familiar to you. Once you're on the Skool homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Enter your credentials carefully, ensuring that there are no typographical errors, and proceed to sign in. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. After logging in, locate the arrows on the upper left of the screen. These arrows will guide you to a menu where you will see a list of your communities. Click on it to expand the navigation menu. Now, from the list of communities, select the one where you want to change the pricing. This will take you to the main page of your selected community, where you have the administrative powers to make the necessary adjustments. Next, you need to click on Settings. Here you will find a comprehensive array of customizable options for your community. It's a good idea to become familiar with this area, as it contains various tools to enhance your community's functionalities. Scroll down or look through the tabs until you find the pricing option. Clicking on Pricing will show you a detailed overview of your current pricing structure. This is where you make all the adjustments to your financial setup. To introduce a new price point, click on Add Price. This is where you'll input the new amount you want to charge for your community access. When typing in your desired amount, make sure it's competitive yet reflective of the value you're offering. After setting the price, you need to choose your preferred payment method. Click on the selection box and choose from the payment options available on Skool. This ensures that transactions are seamless for both you and your community members. Finally, confirm your changes by clicking Add. This button submits your new pricing and ensures it is updated for all current and prospective members. Double check everything before you finalize, as a correct setup will save you from potential issues with member billing later on. And there you have it. This is how you adjust the price in your school community. Don't forget to inform your members of the pricing changes, keeping communication transparent and open. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below.